We are Toronto Central Community Care Access Centre mental health and addiction nurses. Approximately 1 in 5 children and youth in Ontario have a mental health and addiction challenge. As mental health and addiction nurses, we work directly with students and their families, educators, schools, and healthcare professionals to ensure they get the support they need. We work with people like Jane. Despite years of mental health issues, Jane had persevered and was poised to graduate from high school. She was determined to build her future, beginning with a post-secondary education. But the challenges she had been struggling with were still with her. In order to make the transition from high school to college, she needed support. A high school social worker referred her to the Toronto Central Community Care Access Centre's Mental Health and Addictions nursing program. As a nurse in this program, I was happy to become involved with Jane. She needed support to better cope with a major depressive disorder, as well as help understanding and using her medications. Jane also needed to learn skills to cope with her situation at home with her mother. Unfortunately, in addition to her clinical issues, Jane was experiencing conflict at home. She was often compared unfavorably to her sibling, who excelled in sports and academics, and was seen as the high achiever in the family. Jane's home support system was non-existent. She had also suffered from childhood trauma which, combined with ongoing familial tensions, contributed to her suffering from poor coping strategies. One of these was cutting. When I began working with Jane, she had already been hospitalized for suicidal ideation, having suicidal thoughts, and being preoccupied with the idea of ending her life. I worked closely with Jane and consulted with her psychiatrist about her medications and mental health. After 4 months, we had turned a corner. Jane was back on track, taking care of her health and attending college. With assistance from our program, she connected with in-school support to help her complete the transition from high school to college. Thanks to this support and her own hard work, Jane is now working towards her goals. Last year, the Toronto Central Community Care Access Centre's mental health and addiction nursing team supported 580 unique clients with a variety of mental health and addiction challenges. 70% of mental health problems and illnesses begin during childhood or adolescence. Toronto Central Community Care Access Centre mental health and addiction nurses are proud to be here to help.